guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make Guyanese style rice porridge or sweet rice. To get started, I have here some regular white rice and I'll be using some coconut milk, half and half milk and cream. You could use regular whole milk in place of that. I have some sweetened coconut condensed milk as well as some evaporated milk. I will be using some raisins, some cinnamon stick and clove. I have vanilla extract, ground cinnamon and ground nutmeg. In a medium-sized saucepan, I added 3 cups of water. Now I will add my cinnamon sticks and the cloves. We'll boil them for 5 minutes to infuse the spices into the water, and then we will add our coconut milk. Once the coconut milk is added, give it a good stir, and then we will add our washed rice. Make sure you wash the rice thoroughly before adding it. We will mix well, cover, reduce the heat to low, and allow this to simmer until the rice is fully cooked. So after about 20-25 minutes, the rice should be fully cooked. But we don't just want it cooked, we want it overcooked, because remember, we're making rice porridge. So you want it to have that nice thick, overcooked consistency. So now we will add our evaporated milk and the half and half milk and cream. Like I said, if you don't have half and half, you could just use regular whole milk. And we will mix this well and allow it to simmer on low heat, allowing it to thicken up, and let that rice cook some more. After it thickens, this is what it should look like. And now we will add the finishing touches, which are the sweeteners. We will add our sweetened condensed milk. We will also add our spices, the raisins, and our vanilla extract. Now I did taste this when I was done, and it felt like it needed some more sweetness to me, so I added some sugar. But feel free to sweeten and add whatever you like in here. If you don't want raisins in it, you could omit that. And just do it to suit your own preference. This recipe is just a guide to show you guys how I make mine, but feel free to do it the way that you like. Now I will plate this up and show you all the finished product. And here you have it, Guyanese style rice porridge or sweet rice. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button for your girl, and as always, enjoy.